chị bay ule luôn tên này nó cần video thêm cần lâu share để lúc càng treo mình lâu lâu Reng hay Sakhi cần in bula he's looking at it mình chuyển ông tới in bul hey Sakhi nấu téดูหนักข้าวนั่นนี่ไหมนี่อ๋อมันนี่อากาศโปรแล้วก็เสียงเสียแล้วเฮ้ยอับปุยเด่นอันรอนยังสุยช่วงกองปุยอ่ะเฮ้ยอับปุยโปรที่อันนาวเตะอันไหนหนึ่งเลิศดิอาเซียตาอันละเจ้าเดียวสักกินนั่นหลังYou can inbula Sakhi no tell okay. Just go. Sakhi antam lutuk.
Sakhi antam lutuk. Lutuk.
Hey, run ten then. Some mentoring kan kala kan kal ko nga Sakhi lo ni chu ni sina ko kan Sakhi kan mu to antam tak kan ya Sakhi tu nai chu anh nấu tên này hun lai anh nha chú còn cho đi các bằng pha con rần ấy các mailbox của mình rần ấy sẽ biết yeah check our video
Our video or yeah.
oh there he's still
Yeah, this deer's still there. Still looking so.
Hey, Lumeh na mo to kan han seng ta before. Hey, haircut. Alu, ame ma, ania, sama hai. Remember ya? We're gonna have a nice haircut.
At least take it to about like eyebrow.
Yeah.
Your face.
Or little further.
Oh yeah, that's fine.
Yeah.
Okay. Great, sounds good. Plans for the night.
รุ่นเตสัมฮีช่างจักลุตุกาการนี่ก็ตาคานี่เนี่ยกันดูตัวมาเส
It grows so fast, you know, his hair grows so fast. So. I wish that's my hair. Run te hair chu tam ne mai run te sam ahan tam chiam. Oh, you're gonna look so good with that. We can't see his face with the hair. What do you think?
I like it.
Very good, right?
Hey le,
Wow.
atol ho, toang run te pon shampoo ka man na satlu to ka ngai to don lawa haziang amati.
Wow, what a change, right? You look totally different with the haircut. Kan na luto ka lang tara. Lomem. Anuam don sin tara. It's gonna be very nice now. Not be too heavy anymore.
Yeah.
So, but what are you gonna do for your summer vacation?
A lot of stuff.
Like
I
what?
don't know. We're going on a vacation. Go see my cousins, stuff like that. Yep.
Yeah, going to North Carolina.
Ole katite mai kha kan lom em thank you so much and God bless.